Okay, so we got a 2017 Lexus ES350. We're gonna reset the maintenance reminders. This car actually has two of them. There's gonna be a maintenance reminder in the cluster and on the radio. We'll start with the cluster. Now, you're gonna wanna scroll over on the cluster until you get to the gear symbol that we have here, okay? Then you go down until you get to vehicle settings. We're looking for vehicle settings. Then you press enter. And right here you have scheduled maintenance and oil maintenance, all right? So we just changed the oil in this car, so we're gonna reset oil maintenance, okay? And we've done this car's at the dealership right now, and we've done all the scheduled maintenance. It's up to date, so we're gonna reset that also. Now we're gonna go over to the radio because it does have two reminders. And you're gonna hit the menu button on your controller here, and that is gonna bring up the menu. Now use the controller to go to setup, enter into setup, and then you're going to go over to the next page. Right here it says vehicle, go into vehicle, and right here at the top there's maintenance, and there's a whole lot of things that you can turn on and reset, okay? And with this car here, the ones that are blue are the ones that are turned on. The rest of these are in white. They're not turned on. You can turn them on. So we'll go into engine oil, and you can go ahead and manually set the distance, okay? And we're actually just gonna change this. I want to do this a little earlier in this car. Okay, and then press OK. Same thing with the filter. And we're going to change this. We want 3,000 miles. 10,000 miles, you can go 10,000 miles, but